Lesson 17. Light. Light is a form of energy that produces the sensation of vision. It helps us to identify the shape and the color of objects. All objects can be seen only in presence of light. For example, when we are in a dark room, we cannot see anything. But we can see many objects in the presence of light in a room. Actually, we can see any object only when the light coming from the object enters in our eyes. Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Burning candles, glowing electric bulb, the sun, the stars, fireflies, etc. emit light themselves. Therefore, these bodies are called luminous bodies. Books, trees, chairs, etc. do not have their own light, but they are seen in the presence of light. Thus, these bodies are called non-luminous bodies. Reflection of light. When light falls on the surface of a body, some of it is absorbed, some of it may be transmitted, and most of it is reflected. The phenomenon of returning of light in the same medium after striking a surface is called the refraction of light. The polished smooth surface is a good reflector of light. Plane mirror. A plane mirror is usually a flat sheet of glass with a thin layer of a shiny metal such as silver or aluminium behind the glass. The surface of the mirror is very smooth. The quality of the image formed by a plane mirror depends on the smoothness of its reflecting surface. To represent a plane mirror in a diagram, a straight line is drawn with some shaded lines on one of its sides. The shaded lines represent the polished surface of the mirror. Types of reflection. Hold a plane mirror facing the sunlight and allow the reflected light to fall on a wall. You will get a bright spot on the wall. As the position of the plane mirror is changed, the position of the bright spot on the wall also changes. This activity shows that the light reflected from the mirror travels in one direction only. Such types of reflection is called regular reflection. When a parallel beam of light falls on a smooth surface such as a plane mirror, the reflected beam is also parallel. This is called regular reflection. Periscope. It is an optical instrument used to see objects which are not in the same level of the observer. It is based on the reflection of light by a plane mirror. It consists of two plane mirror strips fixed at 45° to the ends of a long narrow tube. These narrow tubes are parallel to each other. Each mirror turns the light rays by 90°. The observer looking from below can see the image of the objects in the lower mirror.